Hey, you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to be talking about a very special topic that everybody wants to know about, which is called what? Mitochondrial Membrane Cell Health. Yep, everybody wants to know about that, and so should you. So let me show you this picture right here. This is a very, very important picture. So right here, what you're looking at is you're going to see that green arrow. And then right below the green arrow, you're going to see this blue thing. That's the mitochondria. Now remember, in each cell, you have between 500 and 2,000 mitochondria in every single cell. Now when you look at that green arrow, and then we move up, you're going to see that the mitochondria has an inner layer and an outer layer. Really what I want to get across in this picture right here is that top picture with the blue circle. You're going to see that arrow right there. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it. It says phosphatidylcholine, the building blocks of your mitochondria. So we have the outer layer, and then we have the inner layer, and both layers are loaded with phosphatidylcholine. So what the heck is phosphatidylcholine? Phosphatidylcholine is literally the insulation around the wire. Now you have to realize in the mitochondria, in that red circular box, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's where electrons, yes, electrons, electricity, are passed back and forth. And if you have a bad wire in your house, it's going to short circuit. If you have bad mitochondria and bad phospholipid membranes, you're going to have a short circuit mitochondria. So one of the things that I recommend, which I talked about in my last video right here, is this product right in here. So you want to have good mitochondrial membrane health, and you're going to have good ATP production and good healthy living. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.